Welcome to Learning Canvas. We are going to learn how digestive system works in this short animated video. It all begins in the mouth, where the teeth and tongue start breaking down the food into smaller pieces. Saliva mixes in, initiating the digestion of starches. The food forms a soft mass called bolus, which is then pushed down the esophagus by muscular contractions, known as peristalsis. The bolus enters the stomach, a powerful muscular organ. Here, gastric juices and acids work together, breaking down proteins and killing harmful bacteria. Now transformed into chyme, the partially digested food moves into the small intestine. This is where the real magic happens. The pancreas releases enzymes that continue breaking down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The liver contributes bile to emulsify fats. Villi and microvilli, finger-like projections in the small intestine, absorb nutrients into the bloodstream. The journey continues as undigested waste reaches the large intestine. Water is absorbed, and beneficial bacteria aid in the final breakdown. The waste solidifies into feces, which are stored in the rectum. Finally, the anus opens, and the body eliminates waste through a process we know as excretion. I hope you understood well. Let's meet tomorrow again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.